Yeah, I just stopped ripping some woods today. I got Steiger with me on the CR 250R. And Mike's on his TRX 250R quad. And today I'm riding our project, or the bike we helped a friend work on, the 1996 YZ125. I'm just walking the trails getting some shots. Yeah, so this little 125 has turned out to be a fun little bike, and it's been some time since I've been on a power valve 2-stroke, so it's kind of a learning curve getting back into that mindset. So that's a lot of fun, let me tell you. Anyway, let's get back to some riding. Woo! Mike's like, oh. That feels good. Yeah, there's those bumps. Coming up that hill, there's a nice couple of big holes in the trail where on the bike you can go around them, but Mike hits those every time with the quad in that one wheel. Yeah, I'll show you right up here. Watch this. It's gonna kick him. Right there, right there. Woo! Yeah, man, these bikes.
He lost his back brake.
What happened?
I had a no shit moment.
What?
My brakes went out.
Uh-oh.
Again.
Look at this.
Block off.
That looks like brake fluid all over that back thing. Okay, Steiger, you should rip on this bike here. See what you think.
Are you sure I'm not too fat?
I'll try your bike and you ride this one.
Alright.
Alright.